making like 510 on pump fuel. Yeah.
This guy doesn't even know me and just gives me the keys to his car.
I've never driven a car before with the wheel like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this new video at my new channel, Car for Sylvius. I met Sam here at the Nürburgring. We had a little chat and we're going to take out his RS3 for a drive. So can you tell me where you're from and what did you do to this car?
So I'm from Ireland, over here on a holiday with all my friends. The car is stage 2 by Unitronic, so TCU, ECU, but it can run like it's set up for flex fuel, so I can add ethanol and it can run anywhere from E10 at the pump, which is normal in Ireland, all the way up to E85, and the power will range from maybe 470 to 570 crank horsepower.
On the fuel it depends on how much power it makes.
Yeah, so however much ethanol you add, the more you have, the more power you have. But when I am here I change to 98, so it's making like 510 on pump fuel. Yeah, 102.
So maybe that's also makes it much better.
It's good to have, definitely, when it gets hot.
And can you see anything under the hood that it's tuned?
So I will actually show you if you want.
It's a CTS intake?
Full CTS intake, 3-inch turbo elbow by Unitronic. I could not get the 4-inch because you need to actually have a left-hand drive car because of the way these are set up to fit the 4-inch, you know?
Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah, big 4-inch. It's the Bull X downpipe, so I bought a good one because I knew the sound would be better. Also, you can see here, if you look, where is it? This is the module for the Unitronic Uniflex software. So you need this if you want to run the different blends of ethanol. The sensor is here.
You can change it on your laptop.
Yeah, you can change it. Yeah. So then this sensor will read the content and it will display on the dash how much you have. I think the map changes every 5% you go up, but I'm not sure. But around like E30, E40 is good power. So, yeah.
Okay, let's turn on the cameras in the car. We go for a small drive. That's crazy. This guy doesn't even know me and just gives me the keys to his car to go for it out. Okay, let's go. It's a right-hand wheel drive also, so I have to get used to that. It's the first pull. It's quick. He said that I have to floor it because he wants to hear the noise. He never hears his own car from outside. The turbo also. Now we go to a small tunnel. I need this in my life. It's fucking loud, it's crazy as shit. So I first put it in neutral, do some revs. Oh my god, that's insane. And he said it's not that loud from inside, but I think different. I think the owner is a little bit deaf from this car. That is crazy. Imagine driving this every day. That's the last one, just have to take one more video. What was it, did it sound like from outside?
Oh, the sound is crazy. The whole tunnel is shaking.
How are your ears?
It's fine, but it's still very loud. It's crazy.
I've driven a stock RS3 before.
This is way different.
This is way different. This is also the facelift, and at that time I did not have much driving experience. Now I do have a little bit experience, of course, a little bit, like a couple years,
not much.
A lot of Nürburgring laps.
Yes. Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, the windows. The intake also.
It's so loud. So in Ireland, just to explain the number plates, so the year is 18 of this car.
Yeah.
This extra one means it's from the first half of 2018. If there was a 2, it would be from July 2018 and so forth. So you have 181, 182, same for every year, 1 and 2 after the year. Dublin is the county it's registered to. So
like in Germany also.
Yeah, so you have the location where it's registered, and then this number is just the sequence you get, like it goes up and up for every car.
Normal license plate.
Yeah. You can pay €1,000 and you can choose the number if it's available, you know.
Oh, cool.
But yeah, that's how Irish plates work.
This here, it's a pure turbos M3 F80 with 650 horsepower. We had a video shoot today, but it didn't end well. But it's an amazing car. Now I'm extra deaf.
Bro, this will be hella confusing for me, but
yeah, for me it was too, but
yeah.
I was getting used to it very quickly.
At least mine is automatic, you know.
So yeah, you're normally drive on the right wheel, and now you're left.
It's fair. I've never driven a car before with the wheel like this.
For me, the same as your car.
The mirrors are okay. Will I go this way or this way?
The way is better.
Yeah.
Just get used to it, and then you can get some.
I will just go handy, to be honest, bro. I won't really go.
Want to do the roof open?
Sure. Oh wow, you have a pan roof.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah. No wonder it was expensive. Yeah.
It has a new clutch.
Feels
and a flywheel.
Car feels really good.
Yeah, it's very. How do you say it? Very pure.
Very nice. Yeah. Really nice car. Thank you for letting me drive it.
Yeah.
It's really
no
nice.
problem.
And shifting with the right hand, it's actually not so bad.
No.
You said 6-speed.
It's 6 speed, yeah.
So
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah, wow.
And it saves a lot of fuel.
And there is no. You said it's stock, yeah.
It's stock. It has the exhaust. You have 2 silencers.
Yeah.
But I don't know where they are, because before, like a couple of weeks ago, I had still the Miltec. I had a Venturi intake. But now it's back to stock because I'm selling the original items, because I got the i20N now.
Awesome, bro. The i20N is a really nice car.
Yeah.
It's a cool car.
It is, if it works.
Yeah, no, I'm sure.
Yeah, it was very good in the mountains of Italy, so I really enjoyed that car.
You will get it started and it will be a nice change. Even stock, it's great power. Like, it's so
and the
nice.
seats are also awesome. It's a Recaro, so that's also cool.
Bro,
Naked seats.
I would love one of these too.
Yeah, maybe you can buy one next to the RS3 one day. Swedish delight. I'm just joking.
This car feels so good. I can tell you have looked after it, you know. Sick.
You can try the tunnel if you go left.
Sure.
Then just push the floor. Push the floor. Sounds good, huh?
Amazing. Sounds really nice.
Only with the silencers deleted.
It's perfect. Really nice. You need to have something like this. It's great, you know.
Yeah.
If it's completely silent, like this is perfect.
Okay, so that was a video, a bit spontaneous.
Yeah, no, it was not planned, but it was great.
Yeah, that was awesome. So thank you very much.
Not a bother, man.
It was nice to meet you.
Great to meet you.
I'm gonna make some more videos in the future.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.